a little bit about me. I've been struggling. I've been breaking my back. I've been digging. I've been hoeing. I've been planting. It's been about a year. Yeah, it's been interesting. In a dry climate. I'm working on herbiculture, permaculture, all kinds of culture. It doesn't matter anymore. If it involves anything in this planet protecting itself, we need to act as individuals now. There is no, I want to post Facebook, I want to do this, or I want to research. Just, you need to get outside. Just stop what you're doing and get outside. I don't care if you plant cabbage. Plant something. It's very, very important. In the meantime, let me show you what I found here as a natural occurrence. Where I'm filming from is very peculiar, due to the fact that about 1,000 years ago, rain used to wash this out. And here's the proof to the pudding. Say goodbye to the sun. She's gone bye-bye. Alright, here's the proof in the pudding. That is washed out. Say goodnight. But here's the most important thing. How does water really flow? Look at this land. Look at this pocket. Let me show you this pocket from a different angle. Interesting enough, I need to find out who owns this property that is selling it with a natural jacuzzi. This is gorgeous out here. You cannot deny that.